Hello everyone, it is currently my second week of work and I've had a quarter-life crisis.
In the wild.
My second day of my new job, I guess.
Program manager, folding shorts! Oh, I'm not in it. New decor alert! Oh my gosh! Y'all, we are the real deal. It's because of this Gloria Kellum post. She popped off.
She did. Ah, glow.
Oh my gosh. Is that the post? So hard. I need Meredith. She's just been killing that Turnberry social media. Do this. No, all right, big day. Everyone in this job is harder than Alex. That's all that I have to say. Okay. No. No. Thank you, Ole Miss. Yippee! So today we're taking some boxes back after Pulse, which was a long time ago, but we've been busy. And I was gifted a cookie. I'm delivering my thesis! Yay! Here I go!
Welcome to my crib.
Hi, Jaden!
Still sitting here.
Lends a helping hand.
Thanks, Megan. And you women's council.
Did you see what happened to that? It fell down the other day. I don't know if y'all saw it by development, but yikes.
You know, one day Megan actually pushed that over by herself. So that's why it's broken. You're welcome.
Co-workers that park together, stay together.
You know when you used to have GoPros that you could like put on your dash? I had one.
Did you film yourself driving?
Oh yeah. I like low-key had like a vlog before it was like cool, and I deleted it since. Megan, you do.
I worked on the Pulse videos, and they were not fun to make. I love Pulse, but it was just a lot. So I rewarded myself by creating the Office vlog series. So that's what you're watching today. This was the big announcement. The OMWC, the Office vlog series that it's really.
Hi, Kirsten.
Hi, I am a multimedia content specialist here for development. I'm a dog mom, a fiance, gonna get married in 15 days. Here are my people.
Oh!
Photographer.
One of the original bunker crews.
Yep, one of the OGs of the bunker. About me. I work with a bunch of cool bunker people.
Whoop whoop.
Oh, look at my baby. The ball is deflated, by the way.
I found a remix so I wouldn't get copyright infringement. Alexis, what should I do if I have a pure mentee?
The first thing you should do is definitely learn their name.
What? I just wanted to give a little update. I edited all of the donor videos today, so there's like 40 something of those. That was really fun. It's been really cold down here because Alexis turned the air on because she felt flustered. The conference room keeps being taken, but honestly, we've been working pretty hard today, but we're gonna treat ourselves later to a special treat.
We got all the Pulse stuff ready to go for tomorrow. We're tabling. We cleaned out the cubicles that are on the other side of the office so that more people can come join us down here. We have sent some, I won't show you the address, but we have addressed some thank you notes.
Yay.
Yay. Really about it. Making sure your handbook's updated so that you know more to do other than learn people's names.
I updated the calendar today because we have some new events. I go walk to Roanoke, and then my birthday is scheduled for June 1st. And editing some videos for Pulse. I'm about to, nope, you can't see me. How do people do this?
What's up, vlog?
You look like you're literally a model. It's this like ponytail for me. Say hi to the vlog. Hey everybody. What'd you get?
I got milk and cookies.
Why'd you get it?
You know, I just wanted to be original today.
But that's what Mary Pat got.
I know.
Very original, going right after Alexis and getting the same thing. Y'all, I just want to say it's been a time. I'll see you for part 2 of college soon to follow.
Good. This is our plant that we're sitting with. This is my mentee, everyone. This is really sad. I actually don't know what I'm going to say.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Oh. Is this a lifelong friendship, Megan?
Yes. Yes, we're on the same page about our future.
We're not friends for a season, okay?
We're telling God, we're not praying about it. We're just telling
It's off the table.
What were you passionate about in high school?
Nothing.
What would it have been? Oh. Because I'm a journalist who believes in the truth. She was passionate about lip gloss.
If you guys would like to know what is going behind the legacy week with Dolly, it is this. It is
All the red marks.
making sure everything is perfect. Dolly's so excited to meet you guys, and it's gonna be special.
This is Alexis back when she played volleyball on the Ole Miss volleyball team. And then this is her signature. I'm trying to find your highlight reel. I couldn't find it. I guess you didn't have any highlights.
If you would like to know... Hi! Where are we today?
Rebel Market.
Rebel Market.
Carol, how do you feel to be back here?
Really sentimental, honestly.
Yeah?
Got my healthy eating here, you know.
Wait, where'd you get that?
Right next to the panini station.
Panini, like the sandwiches?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What do you want to show the vlog today? I forgot the camera, I'm sorry.
Hags. Now that I know what it means. Oh wait, we're already in summer. I'm hagging right now. I'm hagging.
Trying out the comfort station for the first time. We're gonna give a food review. Creamed corn, good. Asparagus risotto, wouldn't tap again. Jambalaya.
Jambalaya.
Good. What did I say? Jambalaya. And it. No, it cooked all the way. This one was better.
You know, back in my day, they didn't have these, and it was very good choice to add them.
Do you feel dated that they've now added Starbucks and a frozen yogurt machine?
I'm so excited. Ole Miss dining, mwah, just...
Why do you have 4 plates?
Because I've been told I don't eat enough.
He told you that.
Bulking season. I'm out of here.
Why?
You just get mad, you know. You get tired, and it's the kids.
Stop calling them kids, they're students.
Students.
He always does it. Well, that's different. Like, I have no age gap over these kids.
What would you like to say to the Ole Miss Women's Council for Philanthropy vlog?
Oh wait. Hey Women's Council, my name is Olivia Reeves. I'm so thankful to be on this. Your organization's super awesome. I hear so much about it from Megan. And yeah, go Woco.
Welcome! Say to the women.
I'm Anderson DeWitt. I'm from Alexandria, Louisiana, and I'm hoping y'all are all having a great summer, enjoying the weather. And my sister was on the Ole Miss Women's Council, Amelia DeWitt.
You know what haggis means?
Yes, have a great summer, right?
Dang,
Or-
Good.
How do you know it?
because I heard about your fail.
You heard about it. Steaks teach
that's
you a lot.
Megan, what is your food review?
I'm not complaining, but they did change the okra recipe. They didn't used to these little green pieces on it freshman year. It was just salt. So it has this other taste to it. So it's not as nostalgic as I was thinking it would be. So it's kind of like, yeah, Rebel Market is like showing me that like time has passed and like we're growing and we're changing and the world is expanding into Neil's bulking while growing up.
Orientation leader.
Oh. Wait,
Carol, can you-
make your O like a little bit round? Yeah, like that.
Yeah, us orientation leaders, we know how to make a nice round O. How's my C? I think my C looks a little wonk.
Like, I don't know why Miley's hands look so much larger and better than Carol.
It was good.
Good. Adding on to what I just had, and I'm doing great. This man right here literally pushed me to be an orientation leader.
Because this man right here invited me to all the biology study groups.
Love you, Oxford.
Hey, I'm Harrison.
I got it. I got it. I got it.
Hey, can you wink?
I guess it's 5 o'clock.
Chocolate chip, please. Thanks. Run, Miley. Run, Lindsay Neal, run. Wow. Athlete!
I think I run better.
A good one.
I run better. There she goes. Whatever that song is, you know.
Yeah! Congrats. Build your legacy.
What's your legacy?
I don't have a legacy yet. My legacy is that it's part of Alexis's legacy. So I'm like her little prodigy child. So it's like I'm part of her legacy, and then Mary Pat is part of my legacy, and she's really cool. And yeah, shout out to MP.
What's your go-to dance move?
It's usually kind of like a. I'm like.
Can you do that again?
No, it's usually like. I don't know what I do actually. I really have no idea.
What's your catchphrase?
Apparently I never dance. At home I always say, what it do, what it do, what it do. But I don't say that here because people would think it was weird. Like he's looking at me right now. That's what people would look at me.
You want to take anything?
Hey, I'm good.
To work, I stopped by and number one, someone ate all of my peanut butter pretzels. Number two, well, if they insist. Okay. Second tries a charm.